Yeah, hello, good evening. Yeah, this time I will install the Cisco Networks app and then add on to Splunk. Uh, I I love Splunk because each kind of platform, just like a database or Splunk is just kind of a database or how can I say each kind of just gathering all information like a storage, and then there is apps they can analyze, or you can make whatever. This is one of my favorite apps. Yeah, you can download it here, but or yeah, let's go to the Splunk. And then settings, ah, app data, explore, find more app here. No, find more apps, and then click Cisco Networks. Yeah, Cisco, Cisco, Cisco Networks. Search, and you can see here two application. Before that, yeah, you see when you search Cisco, there are many apps to support for the monitoring. Anyway, yeah, here, let's check. Let's install this first. Install add-on your search. Yeah, install. Ah, I I think yeah, you need account. Oh, what happened? Oh, yeah. Ah, which what happened to you? Login. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Restart. Restart successfully. And then Cisco Networks and install. Hmm. What happened? I don't understand. Okay, go to app. Yeah, you see. Yeah, it's so simple and easy. Yeah, pink letter. Nice. And then here, not here. Help tutorial. Not this. Here. Help. Install. And right. Yeah, I think right. Yeah, here. And then follow this. Okay. Now after that, you need to settings. Data input. And UDP. Add new. One 514 default 514 port 514. And then next, source type is where is syslog? Syslog. Yeah, syslog. Yeah, there is another Cisco syslog, and then and source type syslog, or yeah, I will put syslog. And then app content. It's app content here. Context is Cisco networks, Cisco iOS. Yeah, I think done. And then yeah, app context. Okay, create done. Now let's see. MBT state an more. Yeah, you see there is a 514, it's enabled. Okay, now let's generate traffic. Mm, yeah, okay. I will go to not this one. There is a password. Yeah, there is no password. Okay. Login. Okay, now apps, Cisco networks. Yeah, you see there is log generated, and then the log generated is yeah, configure the configuration. Let's click this. And as you see, yeah, somebody configured, yeah, it's me, and what time, yeah, like this. It's nice, right? It's showing the information. And then show you something more. Show uh, show stick neighbor terminal monitor. She is shot, no shot. Yeah. And then let's see event. Yeah. See, there is interface up and down, configuration, and then changes. Each, I think it's also configuration. Yeah. Yeah, interface change. Yeah, good. Configuration or login, how many device, how many, and then yeah, we did not unique index. Yeah, so nice, right? And then you can see here, yeah, interface up and down, how many times, each a little bit long. Yeah, and then you can change the time, inventory. Yeah, devices and interface. Yeah, this interface, right? Audit. Yeah, who change the configuration, and then users, timed events, yeah, switching, DHCP, MAC flapping, CDP, yeah, maybe VRAM mismatch like the routing. Yeah, this is the information, and then I will use this for the wireless later. Performance, IPS array, not bad. Transceiver temperature, wow, quite many function. Security, yeah, for the ASA. No, it's not ASA, authentication. Mm, Tab neighbor, not bad. I never used this. I usually only check the default information. Okay, now, yeah, let's digging in, yeah, in the future. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.